हेलो। आज के वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे कारपेट मैन्युफैक्चरिंग मेथड्स की। अगर कारपेट्स की बात करें सो हम कह सकते हैं कि देर आर टू पोर्शन इन द कारपेट, वन इज पाइल पोर्शन एंड द सेकंड वन इज ग्राउंड और बैक पोर्शन. Now, a pile portion is the portion when the carpet is on the floor and whatever yarn is observed on the face side, that may be in the form of loop or cut piles, that is called pile portion. The other one is a ground or back portion which holds the pile yarn. And there are different way these carpets are being manufactured. One is tufting, second weaving, needle punching and knitting. In today's time, the 97% of all carpets which are manufactured are of tufted carpets. So let's and to the carpet quality is very much important, and there are various factors which decides the carpet quality, and what kind of fiber content we are using, the the pile density, how much is being introduced, and the height of the piles, and method of construction, what kind of method we have used while constructing it. It may be, as mentioned, it may be tufting, woven, needle punching, that also decide the quality, and the type of backing we are using in the carpet. This we will discuss with time. So we can say the performance, based on the performance, the price of the carpet quality matters, as well as the style, the design, the patterns. See, these three things are very much important. Performance, which is related with the quality, style related with the aesthetic, and based on this performance and the style, the price matters. Now, if we come to the manufacturing method, as mentioned, that tufting is one of the way to manufacture carpets, and it is very economical. That's why it is being used very much, and the production is around 20 times faster than woven carpets. The durability of tufting carpets depends on fiber content. Fibers के बारे में हम इससे पहले वीडियो में बात कर चुके हैं कि कौन से फाइबर्स हमारे अच्छे रहते हैं, व्हाट आर देयर करेक्टरिस्टिक. सो यू कैन रेफर द पार्ट 1 वीडियो. And yarn type is also very much important, and the closeness of the surface loops or tough bind strength. ये tough bind strength क्या होती है? This I will discuss probably in this lectures. Closeness of surface loops refers to the, as mentioned, the pile density, pile heights. Now the problem or the limitation we can say in the tufting carpet is that the versatility of the design. Fancy checkered design cannot be made with the tufting methods. This is checkered design is used maybe for this woven methods, woven carpets. Now, this slide shows the flow of flow chart, you can say, for manufacturing the tufted garments. The yarn is at the initial stage, then dyeing may be done, tufting process, the latex are sort of adhesives by means of which the loop yarn is bonded to either the primary backing or the secondary backing. This backing I will discuss in coming slide. Then shearing is done to cut the loops to convert it into the piles, and the last process is finishing. As mentioned that Tufted carpets have two kind of backing. The first one is a primary backing and the secondary backing. Primary backing is the material to which the face yarn are anchored. जो फेस यार्न है वो हमारा प्राइमरी बैकिंग के अंदर फिक्स होता है एंड दिस मे बी you applying a coating of latex. Some adhesive is being applied or some fuse bonding may also be adopted to fix up the loop yarn with the primary backing, and again the primary backing may further be bonded with the secondary backing. As mentioned this about the tuft bind strength. Now the force required to pull the loop or tuft from the carpet is called tuft bind strength. It must be strong, otherwise what will happen, the yarn will come out from the primary backing and the appearance will be lost. Now secondary backing is bonded to the primary backing by means of adhesive, say latex, or by fusing after the carpet is made. Once the carpet is made, we are laminating it with the secondary backing. Now, and this bonding must be strong. It all depends what kind of thermoplastic fiber we are using, what kind of adhesive we are applying. The purpose of secondary backing is to provide the strength and the dimension stability. And for woven carpet, which is not that dimensionally stable, if we are not using the secondary backing, so it is, we can say, it is very much desirable to use the woven carpet to fix it on the secondary backing, otherwise the durability will affect it. Now, secondary backing is generally of other material than fabric itself. And for secondary backing, the sponge rubber may be used, some kind of foam material could be used, which would give the cushion effect. Apart from the dimension stability, it will also provide the non-slip surface. Such backing could be used for woven carpet acting as under padding or cushion. Means that backing would provide a sort of cushioning or padding to maintain its shape, its stability, its durability. Now, in latex, we use adhesive, but in case of fuse bonding, no adhesive is used. So we can say there are two ways. One is applying the adhesive or latex. The other one is the fuse bonding. But in fuse bonding, no adhesive is used. The face yarn or the primary yarn and the secondary backing, these all are bonded together using heat, which bond the thermoplastic material. See, when we are using the heat, that is only applicable for thermoplastic material which get fused and get bond with the other layers. And this backing for primary backing or secondary backing, you can say specifically for secondary backing, polypropylene fiber is the main fiber which is used. It is strong, it is non-absorbent because this is hydrophobic in nature, or any spilling or moisture which will not result into rot, mildew or fungus, or will not go under any shrinkage problem. Second method of manufacturing is the using weaving, and this weaving can be done by machine on looms, or it can also be done by hand. Here warps are placed vertically on a frame. Now I will share a video uh, that how these woven carpets are manufactured. Here, unlike in weaving where the warp is placed horizontally, here warps are placed vertically on a frame and pulled tightly enough to maintain tension. And these woven carpets are of higher quality and more luxurious. Why these are of higher quality? Because the design, clarity of design, the outlining is very much clear when compared with the tufted carpets. So these are considered as luxurious provided these are binded to the secondary backing. These are expensive. However, a very few percentage of carpet production is woven because these are very much expensive, and the width of woven carpet is around 12 feet or 15 feet and made on broadloom. Now, there are three ways to manufacture the woven carpets. There are three types of looms are used. One is velvet carpet, Wilton carpet, Axminster carpet. In velvet carpet, here the pile surface, the yarn which is used for the pile purpose, this is created by having horizontally inserted wires. See, some wires we are using while manufacturing it, over which the warp yarn passes, and this raise the warp yarn, and this wire later on is withdrawn after each horizontal row of loop is made. Means, see, weaving is done continuously and we are inserting wire from the on the wire the warp yarn for which the pile or loop is required, that goes over the wire, and it raises the surface of the loops, and then the wire is withdrawn and the loop remains at its position, and after that loops are to be cut to provide a pile-like structure to give a feel of velvet. And the height of the wire determines the height of the loop. If we require more height of the pile, then the height of the wire must be raised so that bigger loop is formed. And various kind of textural effects can be provided, and that depends on the how much wire heights are being introduced, and also sometime cut pile with the uncut loops are also patterned on the carpet. So what do I mean to say? That either you use the wire height to create different design effects, or alternating cut pile or uncut loops may be used to give a versatility in the design. This manufacturing method is least expensive, and the problem with this is that color designs are limited because of the lack of design versatility of the loom used. सो ये प्रॉब्लम है हमारी वेलवेट में कि कलर डिजाइंस आर लिमिटेड, एंड patterns with the sharp details cannot be produced in velvet kind of structures. Second is Wilton carpet. This Wilton carpet is made on the same loom as for velvet carpet. Now, what additional feature is used in Wilton carpet is that additional jacquard attachment is there on the loom, which basically provide different kinds of woven pattern on the surface. And the Jacquard system selects the appropriate pile for the carpet surface, which is lifted to the carpet surface to loop over inserted horizontal wire. देखिए विल्टन कारपेट उसी लूम के ऊपर बनेगा जो विल्टन वेलवेट कारपेट्स जिस पे बना रहे हैं, लेकिन यहाँ पर हम जैकार्ड सिस्टम यूज़ करते हैं। जैकार्ड सिस्टम में फीचर ये होता है कि बेस्ड ऑन द डिज़ाइन वर्सेटिलिटी ऑफ डिज़ाइन इज मोर देयर, और हम जो भी डिज़ाइन के अकॉर्डिंगली फाइल है उसको इट सेलेक्ट्स और it passes over the horizontal wire automatically by means of computerized. It is selecting the particular pile or the yarn and loop over the inserted horizontal wire. So इसमें हमारा जो डिज़ाइन की कैपेबिलिटी है वो बढ़ जाती है। So we are able to produce unlimited woven design on Wilton carpet, but the problem is that limited color availability within the pattern because of the limited number of pile yarn that can be used. See, यहाँ पर प्रॉब्लम विल्टन कारपेट में ये है कि बहुत ज़्यादा पाइल यार्न का प्रोविज़न यहाँ पर नहीं होता, क्योंकि अगर बहुत ज़्यादा पाइल यार्न हम बनाएंगे of different color, the carpet will become very much bulky and the cost will go exponentially. It will become very much expensive. So limited color availability तो रहेगा, but हमारे पास woven design capability हमारी बढ़ जाती है इसके अंदर। और ये जो वोवन डिज़ाइन कैपेबिलिटी है, दिस आल्सो हैपन्स बिकॉज मल्टी लेवल सरफेस कंपोज्ड ऑफ अनकट और कट पाइल इज अवेलेबल विद विल्टन कारपेट, कि हमने किस तरह के डिज़ाइन के में हम कट पाइल बनाएं या फिर हम अनकट लूप्स को एज इट इज रहने तो वेरियस परमुटेशन कॉम्बिनेशंस पॉसिबिलिटीज आर देयर इन द विल्टन कारपेट। और एक और बात यहाँ बेटर है देन वेलवेट कारपेट इज दैट डिटेल्स एंड आउटलाइनिंग ऑफ डिजाइन आर मोर शार्प एंड क्लियर देन दोज ऑफ वेलवेट, and also Axminster type carpet which I'm going to discuss now. अच्छा, प्रॉब्लम विल्टन कारपेट में ये है कि इट इज़ एक्सपेंसिव बिकॉज जैकार्ड सिस्टम अटैचमेंट इज देयर and the production of making Wilton carpet is low, so that's why it becomes expensive. And the third one is Axminster carpet. Now each loop or tuft of face yarn in Axminster carpet is inserted from different spool of yarn. तो यहाँ पर हमारा अलग से स्पूल ऑफ यार्न मीन अलग से हमारे यार्न पैकेज होते हैं। अलग से यार्न पैकेज का मतलब ये हो गया कि जितने भी चाहे हम अलग अलग कलर्स के यार्न यूज कर सकते हैं। सी वेलवेट कारपेट में, विल्टन कारपेट में हम लोग जो लूप्स बना रहे हैं वो वायर्स यूज करते हैं, उसके थ्रू उसके ओवर से हम लोग वाप यार्न क्रॉस करते हैं ताकि दैट विल बी रेज्ड ऑन द सरफेस ऑफ द कारपेट। लेकिन एक्समिंस्टर में क्या है कि हम अलग से यार्न पैकेज यूज कर रहे हैं विच मे बी ऑफ डिफरेंट कलर्स। सो हमारे पास यहाँ पर जो डिज़ाइन कैपेबिलिटी है वो भी ऑलमोस्ट अनलिमिटेड है एज फार एज डिज़ाइन इज कंसर्न, एज फार एज द कलर इज कंसर्न। सो आई वुड से the design versatility in Axminster carpet is very much there. Now this carpet imitate handmade rug weaves. Now, the strand of yarn are usually cut, forming a level cut pile surface. यहाँ पर हम लोग rather than leaving the yarn in the form of loop, it is preferable to cut it, making the cut pile surface. Or there is much surface pile from the yarn and no yarn buried or concealed like in tufted carpets. See, tufted carpets mean there is a ground structure and the pile portion. Here, here the no yarn is buried or concealed लाइक इन टफ्टेड. वहाँ पर हमारी कोशिश रहती है कि हमारा बैक पोर्शन ना दिखाई दे बिकॉज इट विल अफेक्ट द एस्थेटिक सेंस. बट यहाँ पर हमारा कोई कंसील का कोई मेथड कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है क्योंकि वी आर यूजिंग सेपरेट स्पूल ऑफ यार्न एंड वी आर making it on the surface of the carpet. And the backing is heavily ripped resulting from the use of double filling yarn laid in the carpet. So backing जो रहेगी इस X mister type में तो heavily ripped होती है and which form the use of double filling yarn in the X mister carpet. अगर हम अब कंपेयर करें वूवन वर्सेस टफ्टेड कारपेट्स को तो वूवन की जहाँ तक बात है कि डिज़ाइन पैटर्न्स आर मोर क्लियर दैट टफ्टेड कारपेट्स. नो प्रॉब्लम विद द पैकिंग डिलैमिनेशन एज वूवन कारपेट डू नॉट हैव ए सेकेंडरी पैकिंग. सी, यहाँ पर थोड़ा सा मैं अपनी बात को दोहराना चाहूँगा कि अगर हम वूवन कारपेट को एज इट इज़ यूज़ कर रहे हैं तो डिलैमिनेशन की प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, लेकिन जो उसकी स्टेबिलिटी की बात करें कारपेट्स की, वो स्टेबिलिटी हमारी लूज हो जाएगी. सो वोवन कारपेट्स आर आल्सो यूज्ड ऑन द सेकेंडरी बैकिंग. लेकिन अगर हम सेकेंडरी बैकिंग यूज नहीं कर रहे हैं तो डिलेमिनेशन की प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, लेकिन हैवी स्ट्रक्चर नहीं बनेगा, डायमेंशनल स्टेबिलिटी नहीं बनेगी और आपका जो हम कहें कि हैवी ट्रैफिक जहाँ पर है, लोगों का आना जाना बहुत ज़्यादा है, तो वहाँ पर जो वोवन कारपेट्स विदाउट सेकेंडरी बैकिंग तो लाइफ आपकी बहुत कम हो जाएगी. नो पॉसिबिलिटी ऑफ यार्न रनर इन वोवन कारपेट. सी, क्योंकि वोवन कारपेट्स हमारी वीविंग हुई है. यार्न रनर की प्रॉब्लम वहाँ आती है जहाँ पर कि हमारी लूप्स वगैरह है कि वो लूप्स समहाउ इट हैज़ कम आउट ऑफ द प्राइमरी बैकिंग और यार्न हमारा बाहर निकलता चला गया, तो ये प्रॉब्लम हमारी वीविंग में नहीं आती है. Better stability has no problem with the face yarn possibly coming out of the fabric. So as far as see, यहाँ पर कंफ्यूज होने की ज़रूरत नहीं है कि मैं एक तरफ से बात कर रहा हूँ कि वोवन फैब्रिक में स्टेबिलिटी नहीं आती है जब तक हम सेकेंडरी बैकिंग यूज़ ना करें. तो यहाँ पर मैं कंपेयर कर रहा हूँ कि अगर स्टेबिलिटी की बात करें तो वो वोवन कारपेट्स में ज़्यादा होती है देन टफ्टेड गारमेंट. लेकिन एज ए होल अगर मैं कारपेट्स की बात करूं तो वोवन कारपेट्स में स्टेबिलिटी सेकेंडरी बैकिंग के साथ में ही आएगी. सो दीज आर ड्यूरेबल एंड सुटेबल टू यूज फॉर हैवी ट्रैफिक प्रोवाइडेड वी आर यूजिंग सम काइंड ऑफ सेकेंडरी बैकिंग. थर्ड मेथड है हमारा निडल पंचिंग कारपेट्स का. निडल पंचिंग में नाउ यहाँ टू मैन्युफैक्चर निडल पंचिंग कारपेट्स, these are being manufactured by using the advanced technique, specifically The techniques which are used for making the non-woven kind of fabrics, those kind of techniques are used. यहाँ पर जो ड्यूरेबिलिटी निडल पंचिंग कारपेट्स में रहती है, वो डिपेंड करता है हमारा मटेरियल कितना डेंस है, फाइबर कंटेंट क्या है, और स्क्रीन लाइक फैब्रिक इज आल्सो यूज्ड अंडर द वेब ऑफ फाइबर. सी टफ्टेड कारपेट्स में हमने बताया हम सेकेंडरी बैकिंग दे रहे हैं, प्राइमरी बैकिंग दे रहे हैं. सो निडल पंचिंग कारपेट्स में हम स्क्रीन लाइक फैब्रिक यूज कर रहे हैं और उसके ऊपर फाइबर्स की वेब रहती है जो कि हम एम्बेडेड कर रहे हैं आपस में with the help of needles. See, for this you have to understand the how the web of the fibers is being punched with the fabric. So कुछ needles होती हैं जो कि वेब ऑफ फाइबर्स को पुश करती हैं फैब्रिक के अंदर ताकि वो उसके अंदर से अच्छी तरह से पकड़ बना ले. Only because of this screen like fabric being the base of being the base to the web of fiber, it may result into the stronger and provide stable material. Otherwise there is no use of punching only the web of fibers. तो इसमें जो भी उसकी जान रहती है, जो ड्यूरेबिलिटी रहती है, that all depend on this base screen like fabric. फाइबर यहाँ पर निडल पंचिंग फैब्रिक में हम यूज़ करते हैं नायलॉन और पॉलीप्रोपाइलिन. और जो बैकिंग हम यूज़ करें, चाहे वो फैब्रिक की टर्म में कहें, स्क्रीन लाइक फैब्रिक में यूज़ करें, तो दैट इज़ वेरी मच वेदर रेजिस्टेंट, or means it must not be affected by moisture or spills. So foam rubber we can also use for packing purpose. These are the least expensive and the production rate is very high, और क्योंकि high technology machines are used, so labor is not that much required, which is one of the costs of making carpets, specifically the tufted carpets. The quality of needle punching carpet is not that high. In fact, these are sort of dull, flat, and felt-like structure, and is not used in halls, drawing rooms. These are basically used in boards, outside, kitchen floor. So these are not that attractive. And the fourth one is knitted carpet. Here, there are two ways to make the knitted carpet: weft knitting or Russell warp knitting. And Russell warp knitting provides the stability to the knitting carpet when compared with the weft knitting. Carpet produces usually of high pile with various density, texture और pattern. See, knitted carpet में हम लोग अपने अकॉर्डिंगली पाइल, हाई पाइल भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं, उसकी डेंसिटी हम चेंज कर सकते हैं, डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ टेक्सचर और पैटर्न्स कैन बी प्रोवाइडेड ऑन द knitted garments. But the problem with knitted carpet is that the structure will not be of high wear resistant surface, and once it some problem comes, the yarn loops may come out of the surface, so durability is not that high. But these knitting carpets can be bonded with some secondary backing material by means of latex to provide the dimension stability. So we have discussed in this video the different manufacturing methods. Thank you.